Hi, today let's talk about where it's hot to be cool for the 4th of July. But you know what? You don't have to wait for the 4th of July. This is cool number 1, and we're talking about a visit and a stay at Melrose Inn in Half Moon Bay. Now, anyone that's been here, you already know how incredibly delicious their breakfast is. It tastes even better than it looks, and that's cool number 2. The Melrose Inn Spa is an experience you must have. Oh my God, when you finish, they have champagne and delectable gourmet appetizers that await you. Every evening, you can count on cool number 4 because we're talking about a memorable, amazing sunset. Love golf? Well, keep your eye on the ball, but check out these perfectly manicured Half Moon Bay greens by the sea. And that's cool number 5. Their bike trails will invite you to take an early morning ride and enjoy the scenery for cool number 6. Now, we always say you don't have to pick them, but you sure will want to taste them. And we're talking about those sun-ripened, luscious strawberries. And what could be more cool than to visit one of the lighthouses in the area? In fact, they have 2 to choose from, or visit both. You will love the breathtaking view from the top. It's cool. Number 8. In downtown Half Moon Bay area is a shopper's delight. You can wine taste, antique shop, dine in the best gourmet restaurants. In fact, Half Moon Bay has 14 gourmet restaurants, and that's super cool. But you're going to want to stock up on those unique Half Moon Bay gifts for your friends and family. When you're by the sea, there is so much to do. Of course, you can fish, you can go horseback riding, swim, paddleboard, picnic, take a stroll along the beach, and you must build sand castles. Cool. Number 10. But do take time. We may not have to mention this to you because when you're there, you are absolutely going to want to meander in those aromatic gardens at the Melrose Inn. Cool. Number 11. Plan an anniversary party, a family reunion, or just plan to stay with friends and have a breakfast reception. That's cool number 12. And this very next one, cool number 13, Melrose Inn is already known for the most classic, elegant weddings and receptions and honeymoons. This is a resort area that has everything for everyone in a beautiful spot. Very hot, very, very cool. So if you haven't been here in a while, to come back, and we know that when you do, whether it's a tour or a stay, you're not going to want